Let's talk about frequently asked questions. One question we get a lot is, where are your products made? Well, first off, Asutra is a women-owned business, and our headquarters is in Chicago, Illinois, in the United States. In order to support our growth across the country and across the globe, we partnered with a manufacturer in Hungary to make most of our products. The reason we work with our manufacturer in Hungary is, one, we source our magnesium in Europe, so it's just closer. And two, Hungary is known for really great products for your skin. And because all of our products, or most of our products, are topical, we wanted to work with a manufacturer who had expertise in how do you make a great lotion or body butter? How do you make a great spray that feels good on your skin while also helping you level up your wellness?